In today's video, I'll guide you through the complete process of deleting your Google Gemini chat history in a clear and simple way. Over time, conversations can build up and make things feel cluttered, especially if you no longer need old chats. Clearing your chat history helps keep your account organized and gives you a fresh start. To begin, open any web browser on your device and go to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. From the search results, click on the official Google Gemini website. Once the page opens, make sure you are logged in to the correct Google account, as chat history is tied to your account. After you're inside Google Gemini, move your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an option called Settings and Help. Click on it to open more options related to your Gemini account. From this menu, select Activity. This section shows a detailed record of your interactions and chat history within Google Gemini. Scroll down the activity page until you reach the Delete section. This is where you can manage and remove your stored chat conversations. Next to each chat entry, you'll see an X icon. Review your chats carefully and click the X next to any conversation you want to delete. When a confirmation message appears, confirm your choice to permanently remove the selected chat. Once confirmed, the chat will be deleted from your Gemini history. Repeat the same steps for any other chats you want to remove. Keep in mind that deleted chats cannot be recovered, so always double-check before confirming. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily clean up your Google Gemini chat history and keep your digital space neat and manageable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.